Yo, welcome back to another video. It's been long overdue, but we are back again. And today, this is what we are working on. Fire for my youth. Bruh, chill, bruh. Please. No flame up. Back at it again.
No. Why for that? Well, you're back at it again, gloves.
So yeah, give me back at it again, gloves, dog. Which one sound worse? You know what? A whole clip that just flame up all of us. A whole clip flame up. But we're working on the hatch. The base painted. The motor and the gearbox is painted. And we are just gonna try to make this look clean, get the motor in without scratching anything in the bay. That's the plan for today. Hopefully we don't scratch anything. So yep, I'm gonna set the camera down and we're gonna pull the motor out, install the flywheel, the clutch kit, and go from there. With the gearbox. So the gearbox is looking. She kind of clean. You know, I painted it, so of course it's gonna look clean. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna help him to take out the motor. Boy, strong. That's play. That's the motor. You can see it's painted. It's not the best job, but it.
Not you will.
Yeah. Transmission and the motor. So we're gonna put the flywheel onto the motor and let's get the video going. I'm saying, got the genuine Honda flywheel bolts. I'm saying, we got the hookup. So if you need these stuff, bro, hit me up, and I'll hit up Juan. Hey, yo, Juan, we need that sponsorship, bro.
Juan Carlos. This remind me one with that two for me one.
Same thing, post Nick.
Look here, Ruba.
And then you see it.
Go to the girl. Just with your phone.
Belt I got touch. Belt I got touch the bracket. Nope, don't touch a cat. We're gonna use a cat. Because we had to run to the store to go get some bolts and all that good jazz. The motor is pretty much ready. We're gonna lower the car. It's a fast guy himself. Gonna lower the car. Yeah, dog, I you that. And try to catch the bolts, bolt everything up, and we should be on our way. Let's go.
So you find your way.
So you find the hole, you know.
I don't want no man to tell me how to find a hole, dog. No, dog. No.
See how one go out like a dog.
You don't want no man to tell me you are here for fine. Motor is finally in. Bolted up. And we got a little surprise. And just hold on. Boom. Black valve cover, looking clean. That's a surprise. And we also have a black RBC. It's kind of dark, so it's not really doing justice. But boom, we're going to install this, and that's pretty much going to be it for today's video. Alright y'all boys, this is the final product for tonight. Manifolds on, throttle body, valve cover. It looks pretty decent. I'm gonna see if I can show the light. What's going on? Painted bay, painted motor. It looks almost like a show car. Nah, it looks like a show car. But yeah, I'll pick the camera up when I get back home. What up, homie? We got purol oil, and he got the care package and everything. Exactly. So as I said earlier, Purol is now a proud sponsor of Kbros, and we will be representing full 100% from now on. So
yes, sir, we definitely appreciate that. Stay tuned, you know, for what we have coming next. We're building an elite team here in South Florida. So stay tuned, man.
Alright, bless. Back home, and as you guys see, Purol is now a part of the channel, part of the family, and I can't thank Purol Oil enough. That being said, I'm tired, I've had a long day. Thank you guys for watching the video. Remember what you got in the game. Like, comment, share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, the homies, hit the drop down box. You feel me? Subscribe to the homies, tell them Kbros sent you, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.